everyone, welcome to our AFT1043 L1 Fundamental of Accounting Group Assignment presentation. We are the students from University Malaysia Kelantan. Our group is Group 2 and the business name is Qiao. Our group members are Qiang A21A2481, YUAN A21A2435, Ying A21A2498, Fong A21A2478, YUAN A21A3176, and A21A2639. Our lecturer is Dr. NADZIRAH BT Muhammad Shaikh. Let's take a brief look at the table of contents. Let's get started. Introduction of business. Stock trading was created by a group of young people who are both creative and ambitious. How stock comes? According to the World Coca Foundation, Coca provides a living for roughly 50 million people around the world. So 6 of us decided to track and sell Coca-based food goods that are consumed by people all around the world based on these numbers, with chocolate being the most popular Coca product.
The next one is the background of business. Our company name is Qiao Trading. Qiao is the name of our trading company because it is a code term for the 6 of us who work together. This company was founded by 6 persons on the 1st of January 2018 in Charles, Kuala Lumpur. The reason for establishing the business in Kuala Lumpur is that it is Malaysia's capital city and can generating money conducting business at there. Qiao Trade Business is a modest business with only 3 employees. Next, organizational chart of the business. Our Chief Executive Officer's name is Cheng, and I am the secretary of this company. My name is Fong Ying. Cheng Yusun as our administrative manager. Our marketing manager is Hong Zilin. Operating manager is Ni Chin Wee, and our financial manager is YUAN. The next one is the role of each position. Chief Executive Officers need to supervise the employee and ensure that they meet their objective. Secretary need to manage and record all instruments, document and fill into the appropriate files, including creating enough copies for distribution to officers. Administrative manager managing the day-to-day activities of the administrative personnel and employees. Our marketing manager responsible for developing the marketing strategy and plan. Operating manager responsible for developing and implementing strategies in making numerous decisions in keeping the long-term goals of the company. Financial manager ensures that extremely sensitive data is reported. The worker in our company responsible to execute the operation process on a daily basis throughout business hours. Next, the introduction of products. Qiao Trading Company sells all chocolate-based food products such as chips, small cookies, Cadbury caramel donut, Cadbury Whisper drinking chocolate, and so on.
4.0 Transactions. There are 2 months transactions which are September and October. The number of transactions of Qiao Trading meet the minimum requirements as follows. Expenses. The 10 cash transactions which are insurance, rent, advertising, office supplies, utility, telephone bills, salary, rates, repair and maintenance, and carriage hour. While the 5 accrued transactions which are accrued insurance, accrued rent, accrued advertising, accrued utility, and accrued salary. Next is purchase of goods. 10 cash transactions and 5 credit transactions. Sales, 20 cash transactions and 10 credit transactions. The creditors are Sunny Enterprise, FTC Enterprise, and Vitus Enterprise. Next, sales and purchase returns have 2 transactions each. Payment of loan have 2 transactions which are bank loan and loan of bank. The last one is provide 5% depreciation for each fixed asset, which are van, machine, and building. Provide total debts 5% of outstanding debtors. The debtors are Sophie Enterprise and Road Enterprise. 5.0 Accounting Document. 5.1 Journals. Let's take a look at the General Journal of September in our Qiao Trading. Next is Specialized Journal. Sales Journal. The total of the sales account is 8,102 ringgit. Sales Return Journal. The total of the sales return account is 600 ringgit. Next, Purchase Journal. The total of the purchase account is 12,690 ringgit. Purchase Return Journal. The total of the purchase return account is 120 ringgit. Next, Cash Book in September. The balance CD for bank account is 16,151 ringgit and the cash account is 28,656 ringgit.
Let's take a look at the General Journal of October in Qiao Trading. Specialized journal, sales journal. The total sales in October is 6,365 ringgit. Purchase journal. The total purchase in October is 12,635 ringgit. Purchase return journal. The total purchase return in October is 85 ringgit. Cash book for October. Balance of cash in 31st October is 21,826 ringgit, while balance of bank in 31st October is 40,000.
Next is I will explain the ledger of the end of 31 October 2021. The first is insurance account is 1,200, accrual insurance account is 200, cash account is 21826, utility account is 500, accrual utility account is 200, bank account is 40,000, rent account is 100, purchase account is 36613, sales account is 65621, accrual rent account is 250, rent account is 750, advertising account is 3,000, accrual advertising account is 500, salary account is 8,200, accrual salary is 1,300, rent account is 22653, building account is 40,000, capital account is 90,000, machine account is 16295, daily outwards account is 750, office supplies account is 800, repair and maintenance account is 2,050, telephone bills account is 100, rent of loan account is 20,000, loan of bank account is 20,000, debtors include Sophia Enterprise, Pro Enterprise, the amount is 13867, criticals include Sunny Enterprise, FTC Enterprise, Reuters Enterprise, the amount is 25120, sales return account is 600, purchase return account is 205, depreciation of van account is 1133, accumulator of depreciation of van is 1133, depreciation of machine is 815, accumulated depreciation of machine is 815, depreciation of building account is 2,000, accumulator of depreciation of building account is 2,000, doubtful debts account is 693, allowance of doubtful debts account is 693.
5.3 Trial balance. In trial balance, we get a balance amount for debit and credit, which is 228,037 ringgit.
In our income statement, our gross profit is 30,330 and our net profit is 12,430.
The total of balance sheet in our company is 1,042,430 ringgit. In conclusion, G-Stock Trading makes a net profit of roughly 12,430 ringgit according to the income statement, and the profits appear to be well managed. Some areas to be improved: change conventional methods of communication such as poster to current methods of communication such as creating a bright firm.
They have 4 document invoice duplicated, meaning that we buy the good for other company. At 3 September, we buy the good 900 ringgit from Smooth Enterprise, and 20 September, we buy the good for Sophia Enterprise 1,959 ringgit, and 25 September, we buy the good from Sophia Enterprise is 5,253 ringgit, and the last invoice is 5 October. We buy the good 2,550 ringgit from Smooth Enterprise, and the last document is check. We received the check from public bank because we borrow from public bank for working capital business is 20,000.
Thanks all. We hope we have made ourselves understood. Bye.